choices, you'll be able to sing along with the rock stars. And that'll be fun!
C sounds like when it comes before E, I, or Y. C sounds like you can learn it if you try. C sounds like when it comes before A, O, or U. C sounds like you can learn this C sound too. C sounds like when it begins words like celery, cereal, circus or city, circle, cycle, cylinder or symbol. C sounds like when it begins words like cat, can, car or cookie, colors, corn, cup or cut. G makes a hard sound in words like girl, gold, and guitar. G makes a soft sound in words like gem, giant, and giraffe. When a word starts with Q, Q is always followed by U. You can learn Q. Q begins words like queen, question, quarter, quiet. X usually comes in the middle or at the end of a word. When X starts a word, it makes the sound like xylophone, like the word xylophone.
Okay, when X comes in the middle or at the end of a word, what sound does X make? It makes the sound you hear at the end of box. Yeah, it makes an X sound.